At Toro Steel Buildings, your vision starts with our online design tool, built to let you customize every detail of your building. Once done, our design specialists step in, fine-tuning your building to match your specific goals. With 30 manufacturing facilities across North America, every Toro Steel building is crafted with advanced laser cutting and precision fabrication. For over 40 years, we've combined technology and experience to ensure that when your building arrives, it goes up easily, exactly as designed. Every Toro Steel building is pre-engineered with precision-cut, bolt-together components designed for fast, accurate assembly using minimal tools. This design simplifies installation, making it accessible for DIY builders while ensuring each component fits together seamlessly. The result is a smooth, efficient build that comes together easily, exactly as designed. With more than 85,000 buildings sold over 40 years in business, we've refined our craft. Toro Steel Buildings, engineered for life.